Grain intake on feeder 4 is slightly low.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
The flow rate is stable. Check the skin condition analysis on the third bird.
Reading green across the board. The sensors are calibrated correctly.
Look at the uniformity here on the dorsal section.
Yes, that meets the criteria for a grade A finish.
Reroute the third bird to section B.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
Hold it right there, a little to the left.
Okay, easy down now. Looks good.
The uniformity is breaking down near the center. We need to adjust the tension.
I see it. Adjusting roller speed now.
How are the readings on zone 3? All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Check the pressure on V4.
It's holding steady at 50 psi. The drums are rotating smoothly.
Batch 7 confirmation complete.
Route the next shipment to Sector Gamma-9.
pH levels are stable at 3.2.
Concentration is holding steady. We are cleared for the next batch.
Here in the loading bay, advanced robotics handle the delicate ostrich hides, preparing them for the tanning process.
Here in the tanning hall, the ostrich hides undergo their crucial chemical transformation.
Frames convey the pressed ostrich hides into the sealed vacuum chambers, where precise control ensures the integrity of the leather.
Keep the tension steady.
The clips are secure. Ready for the next one.
The humidity levels look stable on drum 3.
Good. We should check the flexibility in an hour.
Every hide is meticulously inspected before receiving its unique RFID tag.
Here at the calibration station, the pressure-controlled rollers ensure optimal softness, a critical step for these graded ostrich hides.
The current cycle is maintaining optimal RPMs.
Noted. The flexibility rating looks good.
Here in the conditioning line, fine oils and protective compounds are applied with absolute precision, monitored closely by our operators.
The texture and finish here are perfect. The stabilization zone has worked exactly as intended.
Absolutely, the quill pattern is flawless.
Check the consistency here on the crown.
The quill pattern is perfect. Color holds true across the hide.
The crown pattern confirms Tier 1 quality.
Confirmed by the system. Applying the RFID tag now.
The laser projection ensures every hide is utilized to its maximum potential.
Check the alignment on template 7.
Already adjusted. Tolerance is perfect now.
This batch is clear for transfer to Station 3.
Acknowledged. The sequence has been updated.
The readout is fluctuating slightly here.
Let's increase the heat by 5 degrees. The edge looks much cleaner now.
Here in the curing tunnel, infrared heat zones stabilize the painted edges, guaranteeing a flawless and durable finish in a controlled environment.
All checkpoints clear on the tan model.
The texture is flawless. We accept the lot.
Noted. Ready for certification.
have a bottleneck forming at Sector 4.
Reroute the B series to the auxiliary channel.
Lane 4, destination confirmed. Pallet 7B, cleared for loading.
Is the customs clearance attached to this manifest?
Yes, I just uploaded it now.
Watch your spacing on the left. Okay, that's good. All clear, pull out slowly.
Seal secure. Dispatch confirmed on Unit 402.
All right, driver, gates are open. Proceed straight ahead, easy pace.
We need to expedite these 3 pallets first. The data confirms the priority.
Understood. I'll adjust the flow.
The Tokyo sort is complete. Acknowledged. We have clearance on the London shipment.
Thank you so much for shopping with us today.
Check the throughput on stage 3. Looks stable at 98%.
We're maintaining the 98% recovery on water.
Excellent. And the energy metrics are looking very positive for this quarter.
Bring it down easy. Got it, looks good. All right, next one ready.
Manifest confirms the weights are balanced. We are cleared for transport.
All green on the intake. The automated arm is moving smoothly.
Good. Keep monitoring the flow rate.
Check the throughput on stage 3.
Looks stable at 92%.
Torque on the bolts is good.
All lube points confirmed. Status updated on the tablet.
The energy consumption spiked at 1400 hours, right when the water recycling intake peaked.
Yes, but the waste heat...
Look at the synchronization on line 3.
It's flawless. We should implement this across all sectors.
Looks like we hit the mark again. 100% on time. Yeah.
Incredible work by the team. The optimization really paid off.
Pay close attention to the calibration sequence here.
And if the sensor data is inconsistent?
It triggers an automatic shutdown to prevent any defects further down the line.
As you can see, the Q3 efficiency metrics show a significant uptick here. This green trend confirms the process improvements are working. Everything is stable. We just finished the batch run on line 3. Parameters are holding steady right here.
Okay, I see that. So we are clear for the next sequence.
Confirmed. Just keep an eye on the pressure gauge.
Got it. Thanks.
Looks like the Singapore warehouse data is synchronized now.
Yes, the variance is within tolerance.
We need to reroute the Shanghai shipments immediately.
The system is already optimizing the alternative routes through the Gulf.
If we look at this spike here, the changes were implemented rapidly across Q3.
The efficiency gains are significant.
The pressure differential is holding steady across all zones.
Good. Looks like the recalibration worked perfectly.
The culmination of meticulous craftsmanship, these pieces are finally ready for the global market.